Ow! Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. I check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is... I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many. I was vomiting, delirious, high fever. They checked my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60, dehydrated.